For the opening title shot, we'll work in 3D to add some text and particles. To work in 3D, we have to take our 2D image and put it onto an object. You can put the video on a sphere, a cylinder, a torus, or any shape that you'd like. In this case, we're going to put it on a standard image plane. Next, we'll add some 3D text. You can see the text in true 3D space. Okay, so we'll set the font, size, and other parameters in the inspector, so it looks the way we want it to. The Merge 3D tool is used to merge the text over the background image in 3D space. It's easy to animate in Fusion. We'll animate the character tracking. All you have to do is add a keyframe, set the value, move to another frame, and change the value again. Text can also be animated with a follower, so each character can move independently. To do that, we'll right-click in the text box and add a follower. Under the Modifier menu, we can adjust and animate parameters like the position in Z-space. There are several options, and you can have characters follow one another, or in this case, we'll have them change Z position from the inside out. You can even open the spline editor to see and adjust the animated keyframes. This is an extremely powerful window where you can completely customize the look of your animations. Next, we'll add some 3D particles. To do that, you simply add a particle emitter and a particle renderer, then connect it to the 3D merge. Now we've got the text, the background, and the particles all living in the same 3D scene. To see the particles, we need to give them some velocity, set the direction, add some color, and adjust a few other parameters to get them to behave the way we want. The particles can be born from a sphere, a box, or even a mesh. In this case, we'll use the text itself as a mesh. This means the particles will be emitted from the text. Next, we'll add a light to the scene and give it some color. Notice how interactive Davinci Resolve 15 is. We can move the light around and see the animation updating in real time. To play this back on the edit page, we'll need to add another render node that takes the 3D scene and renders it back to 2D. You can save multiple versions of Fusion effects attached to each shot. Simply right-click in the clip viewer and select the version you want to view, then switch back to the edit page and play it back.